Stop! Don't rip your home apart to repipe. Over time, pinhole and slab leaks can cause major water damage. And it's only a matter of time before another leak occurs and the nightmare starts all over again. With E-Pipe's 50-plus year expected lifespan, Mathis can stop and prevent future leaks without tearing apart your home. E-Pipe restores your existing piping system and seals the pipes with a healthy, non-toxic epoxy barrier coating, making the pipes leak-proof and corrosion-free. Mathis E-Pipe team leaves the homeowner with restored pipes and, best of all, peace of mind.